Hello friends, in the previous lecture we have to discussing about the preparation of aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid. In today's lecture we have to discussing about the physical properties of the aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid. In which the first point is the nature of intermolecular force. In the nature of intermolecular force of aldehydes and ketones are the nature of carbonyl bond in aldehydes and ketone is a polar covalent bond. The aldehydes or the carbonyl bond in aldehyde and ketones is a polar covalent bond. First important point in the nature of intermolecular force is the carbonyl bond in the carbonyl group in aldehydes and ketones is a polar covalent bond. Means aldehyde and ketone containing carbonyl group in which the bond is polar covalent bond. They will be polar means they will be easily formation of the charge plus charge and minus charge on the between the carbons and oxygen in the carbonyl groups. Second important point is as the result these compound contain dipole force in attractions. The polar covalent bond in which as a result this compound contain dipole force of attraction means aldehyde ketones in carboxylic compound containing carbonyl groups are present. The intermolecular force is dipole force of in attractions. Third important point is the molecule orient in such a way as to have oppositely polarized atom facing each other. Like for example the carbonyl group first phase and opposite phase like here it is the delta positive, here it is the delta negative, here it is the delta negative and delta positive. The figure is dipole attracting force, attracting force in carbonyl compound. Look at this in the carbonyl groups. This type of the carbonyl groups are present in the aldehyde ketones and also carboxylic acid, but here it is only discussing about the aldehydes and ketones. In the aldehydes and ketones, the carbonyl carbon is delta positive and carbonyl oxygen is delta negative. Here it is the positive pole and negative pole, both poles are developed in the same molecules. Then it is this type of the force is called as a dipole interacting. These molecules and these molecules are opposite polarized facing in each other. They will be this type of the molecules, this type of the group contain the dipole attracting force in carbonyl compounds. Fourth important point here it is the carbonyl group bonding. Fourth important point in the carboxylic group of the carboxylic acid contain the hydroxyl group. In the hydroxyl group contain OH bond, which is responsible for the formation of hydrogen bonding. And fifth point is important here. Thus, carboxylic acid have strong intermolecular force of attractions. For example, fifth point is that the carboxylic acid have the strong intermolecular force of attraction. This intermolecular force of attraction due to the hydroxyl group in which the OH bond is present, they will be responsible for this hydrogen bonding. For example, the dimeric form of acetic acid is CH3. This dimeric form of the acetic acid in which the two hydrogen bonds they will be represented by dotted lines. Here it is the delta positive charge of the hydrogen, additional delta positive, and this one is the negative charge of the oxygen, delta positive, delta negative. This figure is dimer of acetic acid. This is the five important point in the nature of intermolecular force of attraction of the aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid. One by one also repeat by. First point is the carbonyl bond in aldehydes and ketones is a polar covalent bond. Second point is as the result, due to polar covalent bond, as the result, this compound contain dipole-dipole force of attractions. Third one is important point is the molecule oriented in such a way to have oppositely polarized atom facing to each other. For example, this opposite facing of the molecule, they observe the dipole-dipole attracting force in the carbonyl compounds. Fourth important point is carbonyl group of the carboxylic acid contain hydroxyl group. In hydroxyl group contain OH bond, which is responsible for the formation of hydrogen bonding. And fifth important point is thus the carboxylic acid have the strong intermolecular force of attraction. For example, in which the dimeric form of the acetic acid, they will be shown here. The structure of dimeric form of acetic acid in which the two molecules are combined to each other by attracting force like intermolecular force of attraction like hydrogen bonding. Here it is the one molecule of the acetic acid, and this side is the another molecule of the acetic acid. The hydrogen atom acquire the additional positive charge. There will be negative charge of the carbonyl oxygen. They will be interact to each other and give the formation of hydrogen bond. This dotted line they will be represent the hydrogen bond. This one is the nature of intermolecular force of aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid. Next point is the next topic is the physical state and boiling point of the aldehydes and ketones, in which some important point notable here. First point is the formaldehyde is a gas at the room temperature and irradiating in odors. Second is the acetaldehyde is the volatile and odorless in liquid. Third important point is the higher aldehydes have pleasant in odors. Fourth important point is acetone is a liquid at the room temperature and pleasant odor, but most higher ketones have blank odor. Fifth important point, increasing the boiling point of the aldehydes and ketones are listed in the following tables. Look at these tables in which the some homogeneous series of the aldehydes and ketone they will be used here. The number of the carbon atom is increases, therefore simultaneously increases the boiling point of the aldehydes and ketone. They will be indicated by these tables. First column is the number of carbon atoms, second column is the homogeneous series of the aldehydes, and third column is boiling point of the aldehydes, next column is the ketones, and next column is the boiling point of the ketones, in which the number of the carbons, in the number of carbon 1, suppose that one carbon containing aldehydes like a methanol. Methanol means formaldehydes. Methanol is boiling point is the 252 kelvins, but does not possible the ketones in the one carbon only. In this way here it is the dash. Second one is the two carbon atoms. Suppose that two carbon atom containing ethyl aldehyde, they will be also called as a ethanol. Ethanol having the boiling point is 294 Kelvin. Does not possible the two carbon ketones. In this way here it is the dash. Third one is the three carbon containing aldehydes like propanaldehyde or propanol. They will be propanol. Here it is 319 Kelvin. The propanone means ketones. Means propanone is also called as a acetone. Having the boiling point is 329 Kelvin, 329 Kelvins. Like next one is the 4 carbon containing aldehydes and ketone is 4 carbon containing aldehydes, butanaldehyde or butanol. They will be boiling point is 348 Kelvin. Butone means butanone. The boiling point is 353 Kelvins. Here is the 5 carbon containing aldehydes is pentanol, means pentaldehyde means pentanol. This boiling point is 376 Kelvin, and pentoone means pentanone or pentan ketones is boiling point is 375 Kelvins. And last one is the number of carbon is 6 containing aldehydes is hexanal, means hexanaldehydes. Hexanal in which the boiling point is 392 Kelvins, and hex-2-one means hexanone. They will be boiling point is 400 Kelvin. What is the output of this tables? In which the table is indicate the number of the carbon is increases, they will be also increasing the boiling point of the aldehydes and ketones. Here it is the notable thing in these tables. You have to decide the orders of the boiling point of the following aldehydes, boiling point of the ketone. That time this table will be utilized. Number of the carbon is increases in the series, then aldehyde or also ketones, they will be also increasing the boiling point of the aldehydes and ketones. This is the most important topics in the physical state and boiling point of the aldehydes and ketones. The next topic is the third topic is the solubility of the aldehydes and ketones and carboxylic acid. Third point is third topic is the solubility of the aldehydes and ketones. In which the three important points here. First point is the oxygen atom of the carbonyl group can be involved in hydrogen bonding with the water molecules. For example, this structure will be shown. The carbonyl oxygen atoms are involved in the hydrogen bonding with the water molecule. This will be intermolecular hydrogen bonding. They will be shown in this figure. Here it is the carbonyl group, the carbonyl carbon. Here it is the carbonyl oxygen. Carbonyl oxygen is delta negative charge. Carbonyl carbon is delta positive charge. In neighboring molecules is the water molecules. In the water molecules, in which the one hydrogen atom, they will be acquire the additional positive charge, and oxygen atom is additional negative charge. Here it is the additional positive charge. This positive charge and this negative charge of the oxygen, they will be interact with each other, and this interacting bond is called as a hydrogen bonding. This hydrogen bonding type is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Carbonyl group and water molecules in which this shows the hydrogen bonding in the carbonyl compounds and water molecules shown by this diagrams. Second important point, due to this hydrogen bonding, the result is the lower aldehyde and ketones, water solubles. Lower aldehydes and ketones are water soluble, means aldehydes means lower aldehydes and lower ketones means number of the carbon atom in the aldehydes and ketones are lower, near about the up to the 3 carbons to 4 carbons. This type of the aldehydes and ketones are generally water soluble because they will be observe the hydrogen bonding with the carbonyl oxygens and water molecules. In this way they will be easily soluble in the water molecules. But third important points here it is, as the molecular mass increases, suppose that aldehyde and ketone there will be molecular masses increases by the proportional of hydrocarbons part of the molecule increases. Hydrocarbon part means here it is the carbonyl group containing carbon change. There will be hydrocarbon part, they will be generally increases. This hydrocarbon part is increases which cannot be form the hydrogen bonding due to increasing the number of carbons or increasing the hydrocarbon part in this side and this side of the carbonyl group. Due to this hydrocarbon part is increases, does not formation of the hydrogen bond, and due to does not formation of hydrogen bond, this type of the molecules are water solubility are decreases, means number of the carbons atom is increases in the aldehydes and ketones, solubility is also decreases, and number of the carbon atoms in the aldehydes and ketones are decreases, then solubility is increases. This is the 3 important point in the according to solubility of aldehydes and ketones. And next topic is the solubility of the carboxylic acid, boiling point of the carboxylic acid. They will be see in next topic, physical state and boiling point and solubility of the carboxylic acid. In this point, 6 important point here. It is the first point is the lower aliphatic carboxylic acid up to the 9 carbon atoms are the colorless liquids with the irradiating odors. Second important point here is the higher homologous or homogeneous are the colorless, odorless, wax-like the solids, have the low volatilities. Third important point is the carboxylic acid have higher boiling point than the alkanes, ethers, alcohols, aldehydes and ketones of the comparable mass. Means here it is the difference only 1 to 2 difference of the molecular weight. They will be called as a comparable mass. The higher carboxylic acid is higher boiling point as compared to alkanes, any alkanes of the comparable mass, any ether of the comparable mass, any alcohol of the comparable mass, any aldehydes and ketones of the comparable mass. Both are comparable mass. Both the higher boiling point is carboxylic acid as compared to this functional group like alkanes, ether, alcohols, aldehydes and ketones. Fourth important point is what is the region of the increasing the boiling point as compared to this remaining molecules. The higher the boiling point of the carboxylic acid is higher as compared to other molecules like aldehyde, ketone, ether, alcohols and alkanes, because this region of this point is in the liquid phase. Carboxylic molecule form the dimeric in the 2 molecules are held together by hydrogen bonding. Means 2 molecules are held to each other by dimeric form. Means carboxylic acids are present in the dimeric form in liquid phase, and this dimeric form due to the hydrogen bonding. This fifth point is acidic hydrogen of the 1 molecule form hydrogen bond with the carbonyl oxygen of other molecules like the structures. This dimeric form of the acetic acid, here it is the show this in this figure. the one acetic acid molecules, and here it is the another acetic molecule, acetic acid molecule. They will dimeric form, means two acetic acid molecules are combined to each other by interacting force like intermolecular hydrogen bondings. Here is the two hydrogen bond in the dimeric form of the acetic acid. This due to this dimeric form, the higher the boiling point of the carboxylic acid as compared to alkane, ether, alcohols, aldehydes and ketone. This type of the hydrogen bonding does not possible in the other molecules. In this way, there will be higher boiling point as compared to these molecules. Sixth important point here, it is this double bond size of the molecule resulting the increasing in the molecules van der Waals force, which is turn result in the higher boiling points. Means this double bond, the size of molecule resulting increases in the intermolecular van der Waals force, which turn the result in the higher boiling points. And here the last important point is the 7 important points of the solubility of the carboxylic acid. The solubility of the carboxylic acid is the 7 important points of the solubility of the carboxylic acid. The solubility of the carboxylic acid in the water decreases with the increasing in the molar mass. Means the carbon change is number of the carbons of the carboxylic acid is increases. There is the hydrocarbon part of the carboxylic acid is increases. Therefore, also increasing the molar mass, and molar mass is increases in the carboxylic acid. Solubility in the water of this carboxylic acid is decreases. Here it is the complete the topics of the physical state of the carboxylic acid, boiling point of the carboxylic acid, and solubility of the carboxylic acid. In the next topics, the polarity of the carbonyl groups we will see in the next lecture. Goodbye.